Hey guys, it's stupid_chicken here, and today I'll be playing Roblox, aka Murder Mystery, with my best friend, Brooke. So go subscribe to her YouTube channel, Emily236. If you hear her voice or whatever, right now we're in a call. What we're doing is we are trying to collab, but it's not really working. No you're not. She's not playing Animal Jam. Come on, load. I hate it when games load. Like, really slow. Let's see if it's... Yeah, Brooke, I'm coming into your game now. I'm joined. No, never mind. Brooke, why aren't you on? You left. I don't like AJ. Oof, 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 oof. Oof, oof. And I hate Innocent. Okay. Sorry if this video is a bit boring. Don't you hate it when, like, you're a murderer and, like, you try killing everyone, but then the sheriff just shoots you? I know that's part of the game, but still, give us a chance. Jeez. I usually kill the sheriff last. By the way, if we get up to like 15 or 20 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away a seer in Roblox Murder Mystery. Just send me a friend request at GalaxyGackos_15. And if we get up to that, I'll be picking one random subscriber if you play Roblox and giving them a seer. So yeah, don't forget to do that. Okay, the murderer is probably AFK, so... Ooh, more cranes. Sorry, it's bad. It was really black in there. I'm stuck. This is my pig, yo mama. Yo mama. Sorry, haven't been feeling good that. Can't speak today. Okay, whoever's murderer needs to act quickly. Time's almost up. So, something interesting is that I actually saw the guest 666. It was for real because it had a space between the guest and the 666. And it was an actual guest. So that was a bit creepy. I don't know if it was real or not, but I think it was. Let's see, is she playing? Nope.
Where's that noise coming from? Where's that noise?
What? Oh, okay. Dead body. Dead body. Oh, well, my friend just hung up on me. She's gonna be calling me back later. I hope. Any time now. It was her. Oh, let's see if I was right or not. Oof. No, he was not. Wow, only killed one person. Congrats. You suck. Oof. When you try your best, but you don't succeed. Oh. When you try your best, but you don't. I'll shut up. Seriously? Call me back. Wow. Nope. Daddy Caca. No thanks. Darn it. Last time I was just playing randomly, and I was like on 1% chance. This is the percent chance if you new to this. Can't speak. This. I was a murderer. Ah, sudden chills. Does anybody else get that? Like, sudden chill? Well, okay. No. See, this one dude, let me see. Wait. Let me. Like, 16 Wow. Look at all these. These nuts. Got it. Let's just look at this. How much time do you have to do the? Darn it! Clicked out. What am I? Fudge. Innocent. Woo! I'm innocent. Nobody likes being innocent, do they? No, they don't. So this video is probably getting a bit boring, so I'm gonna leave it at that. So bye guys, don't forget to subscribe. Remember 20 subs and I'll be giving out one of these. Godlies. Okay. Bye. Haha, very funny. A pet called your mama. Okay, bye.